Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, why mAbs Therapeutics achieves a key milestone as DANYELZA, also known as naxitamab GQGK, receives a Category 2A recommendation in the National Comprehensive Cancer Network Guidelines for high-risk neuroblastoma. DANYELZA has held FDA accelerated approval since 2020 for relapsed or refractory cases. The therapy was developed by Memorial Sloan Kettering and is exclusively licensed to mAbs Therapeutics. ZetaMet Therapeutics announces the completion of patient enrollment in its Phase 2A clinical trial of ZetaMet. This investigational therapy aims to resolve lytic bone lesions, reduce pain, and promote bone regeneration in Stage 4 metastatic breast cancer patients with spinal metastases. Top-line results from the 26-week study are expected in the fourth quarter of 2025. In HER2-positive breast cancer, new data from the DESTINY-Breast11 trial show that Enhertu significantly improves pathological complete response rates compared to standard chemotherapy. When followed by THP treatment, Enhertu demonstrated a better safety profile than DDAC-THP. These results support the potential of Enhertu in earlier treatment stages of breast cancer. In lung cancer, BeiGene's TEVIMBRA receives European approval as a first-line treatment for extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. The approval is based on results from the RATIONALE 312 trial, which demonstrated a 25% reduction in the risk of death when TEVIMBRA was combined with chemotherapy. This marks the fourth European approval for TEVIMBRA in less than 2 years. ADRX announces the launch of a Phase 2 clinical trial evaluating OX4224, an oral PD-L1 inhibitor, in non-small cell lung cancer. This investigational therapy aims to provide an oral alternative to antibody-based checkpoint inhibitors, with a focus on expanding immunotherapy access in low-resource settings. The trial is currently enrolling PD-L1 positive patients in India. TFS Health Science is supporting a Phase 1b clinical trial in collaboration with Oncolytic. The trial evaluates OMTX-705, a fibroblast activation protein-targeting antibody-drug conjugate in patients with advanced pancreatic cancer. The trial builds on earlier data showing promising activity in solid tumors and is underway in Spain and the United States. Immunon announces the initiation of its pivotal Phase 3 OVATION 3 trial, evaluating IMNN-001, an IL-12 immunotherapy combined with chemotherapy in ovarian cancer. The first clinical site has been activated at Washington University. This trial builds on encouraging Phase 2 data showing a potential survival benefit. AdCentrix Therapeutics secures FDA Fast Track designation for ADRX 0706, an antibody-drug conjugate targeting Nectin-4 in advanced cervical cancer. Early clinical data demonstrate favorable safety and promising efficacy. The Fast Track designation enables accelerated regulatory review for this investigational therapy. AstraZeneca reports positive results from the POTOMAC trial, showing that Imfinzi combined with BCG significantly improves disease-free survival in patients with high-risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. No new safety concerns were identified in the study. Cantargia publishes promising data on the combination of nadunolimab and pembrolizumab in heavily pretreated patients with solid tumors. The combination achieved a median overall survival of 19.7 months, with the strongest results observed in patients with high immune cell infiltration. The data have been published in the journal Investigational New Drugs. Formosa Pharmaceuticals announces a licensing agreement with Almac Discovery for the global development of ALM401, a bispecific antibody-drug conjugate targeting EGFR and ROR1. Preclinical studies demonstrated enhanced tumor penetration and strong tumor regression, positioning ALM401 for future clinical development. ViroMissile introduces its IDOV platform, an innovative single-dose intravenous oncolytic virus therapy designed to systemically target and destroy tumors. The platform uses an engineered vaccinia virus, and early human trials have shown that the virus successfully reaches tumor sites following just one infusion. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lq